Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Msmarabouu. So I did have a lot of people asking about my two-piece maternity rose suit. So I have the video here just for you. It's quick and easy. So if you would like to see how I made my two-piece suit, just stay tuned and keep on watching.
What one nigga won't do, another nigga gon' do. I'm putting you on notice. Another nigga done bought me roses. You wasn't focused, so focused. I was with you through whatever, but we gotta elevate. You should want better. I love you, don't always need forever.
So with this project, you don't really need much, which is what I love about it. And it's very quick and easy. What you would need is just a pack of roses. You could pick any type of your choice. I did get mine from Amazon. I will link it down below. You also need some scissors. You need obviously a panty and bra. So I did get these from my local Burlington, and I did get my panties kind of wide just to make sure that the flowers would fit on a certain way. You don't want to get it too small and skimpy because you want it to really fit on there, and you want the fabric to be slightly thick. And I also got a bra and also a glue gun that I got on my local Target. So yeah, that's pretty much what all you're gonna need to get started. So let me show exactly how I started to glue the roses in. So the roses are artificial, obviously, and you can pick whichever color that you prefer. I did pick red, because that's the color I was going for, so I did pick red. I forget how many packs of roses come in one, but I will link it on the screen just to make sure, just to let you guys have an idea. And I was really going for more than less, just so that way, there was no mistakes, because this was last minute, and I didn't want to run out and then try to quickly order it on Amazon, and then, everything's just all messed up. So yeah. So getting right into it, I'm going to start off with the bra first. So the roses basically come on the stem, this little green stem, and I just pulled it off. Just be very careful because you do not want to break it apart. And then you just plug your glue in, and just start squeezing up on there. I didn't buy any extra packs of glue, but I just used what it came in. So in the beginning, I was going a little bit, with a lot, but you don't need too much. But you pretty much just put the glue on there and just hold it down a little bit, and then you're good to go. So that's pretty much, you're gonna see what I'm doing right now. Very simple. Take the stem off, glue, press, and keep going, and just fill up the bra. And I started off with the corners and then go inside, so that way I can see how much that I am using.
But I think you gotta tell. If you don't, you can come over here.
So if you notice, I'm not going to put any roses on the bra strap. You're not really going to need that, especially the way you're positioned in your pictures. And you can also see that I do that with the panties as well. So do not worry about the size, because, you know, unless you're doing like a full body video or something. But other than that, you know, you don't want all that flowers and stuff like, you know, just in the way. So I'm not putting any in the strap. And this is me just fixing up, making sure the holes are covered and everything, so it look real pretty.
Anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything is so desired.
Now as for the panties, I did put like a piece of plastic in between, just so that way I can make sure that it doesn't glue together. So, you know, you can use something the same way. I don't know if you want to use like a newspaper or something, but I just used the plastic that the roses came in, just to make sure it's definitely not gluing together. At least like if it does get a little bit attached to the clear paper wrap, I can just pull it off. I do want to add that when you are placing the roses down or glue it down, don't be afraid to stretch out the panties, because when you're placing them down, I noticed that when I did try it on, it started to space out a little bit. So don't be afraid to stretch it out a little bit as you're placing down the roses. But it's something you can always fix. That's why I made sure to not put too much. I just put around the perimeter, and everything else will be covered under your stomach, so do not worry about that part. So if you notice, I just put like around the perimeter where I feel like it would show while taking your maternity pictures. So you can always add more if you feel like it stretches out any more and there's any gaps or anything. You can always fill it in. And here you are. You have made your own personal rose two-piece maternity suit. So yeah, I really love how mine came out. So if you guys end up making any, don't forget to comment down below. I would love to see it. Tag me in one of your pictures, your videos. I am on Instagram. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below, and don't forget to put your notification bells on. Yeah, don't forget to put your notification bells on, so when I upload, you guys will see. And let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see, because I got like a lot of ideas for you guys. So if you're really interested in this video, give me that thumbs up. So I will see you guys again in another one. Bye.